Hey, I'm Andrea Smith at CE Week 2016. We're doing CE Week TV. We have some really cool stuff here. In fact, click your screen to get more information on what we're talking about. But there are smart home devices, there are drones, you name it, it's here. And I think you may have heard about the Roost Smart Battery. This is a product I first saw last year. Really cool product, and I'm going to let Roost, tell me about it. David Henry, your last name is. Tell me about the Roost Smart Battery.
So great. So we were obviously here last year, and Roost Smart Battery, so it looks like a 9-volt battery. Actually what it is a Wi-Fi connected smart battery. So there's a Wi-Fi chip in here, a little microprocessor. And then over here is a lithium battery that in a smoke alarm lasts more than 5 years, which is 5 times longer than a typical alkaline 9-volt. And the way that Roost works is that we have an app, so you download an app and connect this battery to your home Wi-Fi, give it a name, so the upstairs smoke alarm or the kitchen, etc., and then pop it in a smoke alarm, push the test button, and in less than 5 minutes you now have a smart smoke alarm.
That is insanely cool. Look at how this, so it just is a regular battery with the additional Wi-Fi capability in here, or it looks like a regular battery. Obviously, it's a very smart battery. And so basically, this is going to let me know when the battery is almost dead so that I don't have to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and hear that insane beep, 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 beep. No more chirps.
No more chirps. So
now,
it does no more chirps. So in the middle of the night, you wake up. We've all done that. With Roost, number one, it lasts for 5 years instead of a year, but before it chirps, you'll get a notification weeks before. But the second thing is, it alerts you when the smoke alarm's going off and you're not at home. So that's the big thing.
And that's the key thing, right? You want to know if there's a problem. And even if you are home, it alerts you that there's a problem on your phone, correct?
Exactly.
Okay, so a question that I think comes to mind for many people is, what happens when the battery is dead? Can you replace that?
You can. So it's a two-piece design, and this is the microprocessor and the Wi-Fi chip. This is the smart battery. So at the end of 5 years, you can replace this piece for $15. The whole thing is $35 for one, $65 for two at retail. And you can replace the battery pack, snap it on, and get another 5 years.
Awesome. That is very cool. And I know you guys are also making a branded smoke alarm, so it will all come together in one kit. You really don't have to do anything. But what I want to talk about is this guy. I know a lot of people say, they have a leak in their laundry room and they didn't know it. There's water leaking. They're not aware of it. You're getting into the kind of alert you on other things business?
We are. So we're leveraging the Roost app. So you download that same app, and now you can add our smart water leak detector. And it's Wi-Fi. It has actually 4 AAAs, so it's a little bit different battery source, but we've leveraged a lot of the same components, the same technology that we use in the smart battery. And what you find is that, well, first of all, you download it, name it again, and then locate it around the home where you would typically have a water leak. So number one place is a hot water heater, the kitchen sink, underneath the refrigerator, the washing machine, etc. And when that leak starts to creep underneath, a short circuit happens when the 2 wired links connect. Notification goes to your smartphone, so you know immediately when a leak is starting in your home.
So if I'm away from home and my washing machine is leaking, a little bit of water's accumulating on the floor, it will tell me, and I can send in a neighbor or go do something.
Exactly. In fact, the other little feature that we added in here is we have a temperature and a humidity sensor, so that, let's say you live in the Northeast, and anybody ever have any freezing pipes before? So you can put one of these downstairs in the basement, set the thermostat or the temperature control to, let's say, 35 degrees, and when it hits 35 degrees in your basement, you'll get a notification, kind of an early warning system before your pipes freeze.
Go do something. Very cool. Very innovative stuff coming from Roost. I encourage you all to go check your battery in your smoke detector and see if you need a Roost Smart Battery. I'm Andrea Smith for CE Week TV.